So many testimonies.
Yes.
So many testimonies.
Yeah.
When I was working in the jungle, once before 2 days I told you, no?
Yeah, but you can.
One village people attacked by severe, different disease.
Yeah.
So at that time God was using me, and people knew that when pastor will pray, the sickness will go.
Yeah.
So that village people invite me to pray, and I went that village, and in the evening there was no light, no any other source. So all the village people burn by wood fire, and they sit around that village, and I preach among them that love of Christ and His ministry. Then I prayed for them, and I slept outside. There was no place to host me. So I slept outside. In the midnight, the devil come. The big, like a Rakhyasa kon kahibe? Giant.
Like,
Terrible giant came.
So it was like the devil, or like a big demon.
His
or
eyes
something.
was like this,
Nose,
Like an evil spirit. That came.
horns and so black figure. He's supposed to come. He's supposed to come to attack me. So I was waiting to day because there was no good situation, and that giant coming towards me. When I saw, I immediately I remember that the verse 1 John 4:4. Who is in me? That kon kohe moro जे मोठार जगतर जे अछि से जे मोठार जे तांको ठार महान.
Who is in me, inside me, is
Greater than
the one who is in the world.
Who is in me, greater than
The one.
who is coming
in the world.
In the world. Yeah.
So I remember this verse, and immediately I got strong faith, and then I attacked him. Then in the verse written, rebuke the Satan and he will flee away from you. So I just directly in the name of Jesus, Satan, I kick you, just I stand and kick him. So the Satan went away up to that jungle side.
He just.
Yeah.
You saw him leave.
Yeah.
Okay.
He was going
Physically.
Physically, he was walking and going up to jungle side. I saw, and when we went, I just wake up to one deacon was beside me. He was sleeping, and when he knew that one just devil and the giant came, so he prayed. Then we prayed whole night up to morning, and we wake up. We are getting ready to come back. The village people came to me and the testimony they gave it to me. Pastor, we all healed. No disease, no nothing.
Amazing.
Like this way.
Actually, the
And then.
stronghold spirit was ruling over the village. No, that's why everybody was getting sick. But when the giants flew away, then everybody got the healing from sickness.
Yeah. It's amazing.
When such kind of miracles happen at that time.
Yeah.
Within three years, I planted 12 churches.
12 churches.
That was my first experience. Then I came to know that God is using me, and the church planting gift God has given to me. Onwards, I have planted many churches.
And the whole village came to Christ because of that. Yeah. You said before.
That because of that incident, whole village people came to that.
Wow. Praise. That's just insane.
So another incident, several times I used to go with one village, and I proclaimed that, Lord, where you will keep your foot, then I will give you, I will give you that land. So in this verse I proclaim to ask that village, Lord, give this village for thy glorification. So I never say anyone. Just I was praying and I am going through that village. So suddenly one man died. The village people took him and buried. Then when they coming back again, another one, from same family, another one died. Then they took the village people and buried. Then coming back, again another one died. Like this way, 4 people from one family died. And at last, the number of 5 was also attacked like this. And he took decision, if I will stay here, definitely I will die. So he ran towards one of Christian family. Then Christian family, our believers, they gave the news to invite me. Pastor comes, that is a terrible situation. One is about to die, and you please come and pray for him. So I went with my church people. Then we stand around and we prayed for that person. He was about to die like this. So just we claim the name of Jesus, we bind that satanic power, and immediately the evil spirit is came out from his body. One young man saw the vision, like one small pig, size of evil spirit came out his body and ran away. Immediately that man got healed.
Wow.
One day, within one day, 4 men died, and 5 was attacked. And we will pray for that 5 number 1, that person, and he got healed. And because of second incident, all the village people came to the
Wow.